Bearded Sense Guy here, and today we're going to do an experiment with candy canes. For this experiment, you'll need some glass containers, vinegar, water, baby oil, and some candy canes. You could start by placing a candy cane in each of your glass containers, then fill one of them with baby oil and the others with vinegar and water. You'll immediately start to see the vinegar and water dissolving the candy cane, but not the baby oil. This time-lapse video shows what happens to the candy cane over a time of 30 minutes to an hour. The water particles are put together in such a way that they can easily dissolve the sugars and dyes of the candy cane, but the baby oil can't. When you zoom in, you can even see the dyes being dissolved in the water and falling down from the edge of the candy cane. This experiment also allows you to easily modify what you're testing. The temperature of the water will drastically change how fast the candy cane dissolves, and you can even test whether or not adding a bunch of sugar to the water before placing the candy cane in will make any difference.